Hello friends, welcome back to Innovative Design Tutorial. So friends, today we are going to create this pipe bracing with plate design in Solidworks. So in this video I will create one pipe. Now we just cut this pipe and we insert a plate for bolting purpose, and we will also create the build with in Solidworks. So this video is very helpful for those students who are just now starting to learn Solidworks. So here we will keep the building of fillet 8 radius. So guys, I hope you will enjoy it. So just see how we create this build, and now we just we create also plate both sides for bolting purpose. So this is called pipe bracing. So look how we do this in Solidworks. So we have to create, just go to the file, select part, okay. Now here we enter the Solidworks interface. Now change the background to plain white, okay. Better to select front plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create two circles from this center point. So here we will create two circles. Go to the smart dimension, select this outer circle, make it 219 diameter, okay. Now we just select inside circle and make it this one 205 diameter. So here we will create two circles. Now here is time to extrude this circle. So go to the extrude boss base, we will keep it 1500 and make the condition mid plane. So we will create this pipe from mid plane, okay. Now again we just select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we create center rectangle from this center point. So go to the center rectangle, select this point and create rectangle up to here. Go to the smart dimension, select this and make it 25 mm, okay. Now again we just select this line and here we will keep it 384, okay. Now here we just extruded cut inside, so we will keep the plate inside. So we just go to the extruded cut and make the extruded cut 150 mm from inside, okay. Now see how we cut this pipe, okay. Now again we select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we again create a rectangle. So we select this center point, create up to here. Now go to the smart dimension, select this line, make it 270 mm. Now we just select this line, make it 25 mm, okay. Now here is time to make the extrude boss base. So here go to the feature, select extruded boss base. So here we first we make up to surface. Now we select this face. So again we just go to the direction 2 and here we will keep 220 mm opposite side and make the condition we just not create merge, okay. Now here we just create this one. So again select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we make this convert entity to this sketch. So here it's time to make the extruded to this sketch. So go to the feature, select extruded boss base, make it 5 mm, and we untick the merge region. Okay, so here we cover this pipe like this one. Now it's time to make this mirror. So we just mirror this, not mirror, first we create circular cutout, then after we uh, make the perform mirror purpose. So first we create circular cutout, so we just create circle, go to the smart dimension, select this one, make it 32 diameter. Okay, now we select this center point, this line, make this one 45 mm, not 45, we will keep 50 mm. Now select this point, this line, make it 45. So here we create linear pattern. So we will keep 90 mm gap like this. So again we will also create the pattern, linear pattern. So we just first we select this circle, now here we select this edge and we will keep gap, make it 60. Here we will keep 3 number of pattern. Okay, now here it's time to make the extruded cut. So here we make the extrude cut like this. Okay, so here it's time to make the mirror feature. So go to the mirror, so again we create the mirror. So here we select front plane. Now we select body to mirror. Like this one. So here it will not work, so we will keep body to mirror. So it's helpful to create, because we will not merge all this cutout. So So here we select body to mirror, again go to the mirror, select front plane. Now here we just select this body separately. So again we make the mirror to cut out. So go to the front plane. Here we will select feature to mirror, so we will select cutout. So look how we create this pipe cutout, and we will also insert the plate because plate is used for welding purpose. So here is time to make the welding bed and welding. So we will go to the weldments. Now select weld bed. Here we select weld path. Now here we select the place where we will keep the bend, so we will select separately, and here we will keep the fillet weld of 8 radius. So here we will select separately. Now it takes time to select, so let's see how we select separately all the place where we will keep the building. So here we see this this pipe bracing. So we will create completely build and apply on this pipe bracing. So look how we create. So guys, I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching and keep sharing. Thanks a lot.